How to add travel insurance to your booking on trip.com. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to add travel insurance to your booking on trip.com. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So make sure that you're logged in on the website, and at the top left corner you're going to see the trip.com logo. Also, you see the search box here. You can search out whatever information you need to know on the website, and at the top left corner you see several options and icons. You see the my bookings icon, you see your profile icon, then you see your coin icon. You also see trip.com rewards, destination, trip planners, cruise, attraction and tours, cars, trains, flights, hotels, and so on. You also see the option to start your trip here. So you can basically type in your destination, type in the date that you're going to check in, or type in the date you're going to check out, and so on. So just make sure that you go to your bookings. Just like I have here, you click on my bookings at the top right corner of your screen, just before your profile icon. You click on my bookings icon, then you wait for the page to load. Just be patient when you're waiting. Okay, so now this is one of my bookings. Okay, so now back to the question, how to add travel insurance to your booking on trip.com. So you just have to check thoroughly. So you see the option to add travel insurance. Once you've seen the option to add travel insurance, you click on it, and you follow the instructions to enable you successfully add travel insurance to your booking on trip.com. Okay, so you have to follow the instructions. Okay, so it's that simple. So make sure you follow the instructions. Okay, so this is basically how to add travel insurance to your booking on trip.com. So thank you.